All right, my awesome learners, let me ask you something. Have you ever heard a word online or in a movie and thought, what does that mean? Well, today we're diving into 10 slang words you need to know in 2025 to stay ahead of the game. These are words you'll hear in conversations, on TikTok, Instagram, or even at work, if your boss is cool enough. So grab a cup of coffee or chai, sit back and let's level up your English together. I'm Naisha if you don't know me already. Hit like, subscribe and share this video to everyone you know. Come on, let's get started. Let's start with the word brain rot. Now don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Brain rot is a slang word people use when they're obsessed with something to the point that it's all they can think about or imagine. Now imagine watching your favorite Netflix show for hours or scrolling through Instagram or TikTok videos for hours and now you can't stop talking about it. That's brain rot. Here are some examples. I've got serious brain rot over this new video game. I can't stop playing it. Her brain rot for that celebrity is next level. She knows everything about him. This song has given me brain rot. It's just stuck in my head all day. Now it's your turn. Can you make a sentence using the word brain rot? Drop it in the comments below. All right, now that your brain is buzzing with brain rot, let's jump to the next word, Rio. This word comes from online slang and stands for ranked in order, Rio. People use it to describe something that's ranked or rated. Think about ranking your favorite songs, movies, or even pizza toppings. Take a look at these examples. What's your Rio for the top Marvel movies? Are you a Marvel fan? Well, I am. She asked me for my Rio of the best places to eat in the city. My Rio of favorite songs keeps changing all week. Well, how about you try? Make a sentence using Rio and share it with me in the comments. I'd love to read. Now, moving on to the next word, which is all about fun and randomness. Skibidi. Skibidi. This one's hilarious, right? Skibidi. It's a fun word people use to describe something that's weird, nonsensical, or just plain random. It's actually become popular from a meme and now it's literally everywhere. Check out these examples. That dance move you just did is so skibidi. Her outfit today is giving major skibidi vibes. It's so unique. The skibidi trend on Instagram is blowing up. In short, it means that something is weird and does not make any sense, but is really popular. Our next slang word is Ohio. Now, Ohio is a playful slang word that has gained popularity on social media, particularly on platforms such as TikTok and Twitter. While it originally refers to the US state of Ohio, its slang meaning is entirely different. People now use Ohio to describe something strange, awkward, chaotic, or even something weird. It's often used humorously to suggest that something is off or doesn't make any sense. Here are some examples. The way he tried to dance was pure Ohio. It made everyone laugh. This weather is acting so Ohio today. Sunny one minute and then raining the next. Her jokes are funny, but sometimes they're just so Ohio. Have you experienced an Ohio moment? Tell me about it in a comment. And now we move on to the next word, baddie. Now, a baddie is someone who is confident, stylish, and knows their worth. Think of it as a cool compliment for someone who's absolutely rocking it. Now, these examples will make the meaning clearer. Look at you in that outfit. You're a total baddie. This means you look really stylish. She's such a baddie. She always knows how to handle things. Now, this means she can confidently handle things. Here's one more. That was such a baddie move, standing up for yourself like that. I'm impressed. Now, this means someone knows their worth. Such a cool word, isn't it? And so versatile. Who's the biggest baddie you know? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move on to another cool phrase. Let him cook. What does that mean? This phrase is one of my favorites because it's so versatile and fun to use. So what does it mean? Let him cook is slang for letting someone continue what they're doing, often when they're in the middle of something impressive, clever, or even unexpected. It's like saying, give them a chance to show what they really can do. It's often used humorously to encourage someone when they're showing potential. Take a look at these examples. He's coming up with some crazy ideas for the party. Let him cook. I bet it'll turn out awesome. During the debate, she started slow, but then her arguments were on fire. Let her cook. I was about to interrupt him, but the way he handled the tough question, I just allowed him to cook. In short, it's used to encourage people or show support in a playful way. Next up, we have the slang word mewing. Now, this word might sound strange at first, but let me explain. Mewing has two meanings, depending on the context. Originally, it's a technique where you place your tongue against the roof of your mouth for a better jaw alignment. It's a trend in fitness and health circles. But in slang, it's become a funny expression used to playfully call out someone when they're whining or complaining too much. Think of it like saying, stop making such a big deal out of nothing. It's light-hearted and not meant to be taken seriously. Here are some examples. He was mewing about how cold it is outside. It's winters. Wear a jacket, dude. Stop mewing and just do it. It's not that hard. You're mewing again about traffic? Why not leave earlier next time, huh? Isn't it a fun and casual way to keep conversations light and playful? Here comes the next one, Gyatt. Say it with me, Gyatt. This one is an exclamation, often used to express excitement, shock, or amazement, particularly when someone sees something or someone impressive. It's like saying, whoa, wow, but in a more casual, trendy way. Take a look at these examples. Did you see that skateboard trick? Gyatt, that was insane. Gyatt, this food tastes so good, it's better than I imagined. Gyatt, you cleaned your entire room in 20 minutes? That's amazing. So you can use Gyatt whenever you feel amazed or excited about something. Do use it. Just 2 more words to go. At number 9, let's bring in some energy with amped. This slang word is used to describe feeling super excited or pumped up about something. Now imagine you're about to do something really fun, like going to a concert, starting a new project, or even just meeting up with your friends. When you're really looking forward to it, you can say you're amped. It's all about that feeling of enthusiasm and energy. Here are some examples. I'm so amped for the weekend. We've got so many fun plans lined up. He was amped for the football game and couldn't stop talking about it all day. I feel so amped after that workout. It gave me a ton of energy. Have you ever felt like that after a workout? All right, here's a fun and playful word to end this lesson. Delulu. In short for delusional. And people use it in a light-hearted way to describe someone who has unrealistic or overly optimistic ideas about something. It's not meant to be mean. It's more like teasing a friend who's dreaming big or imagining things that might not be entirely true. Take a look at these examples. She thinks she's going to win the lottery because she bought one ticket. So Delulu. He's Delulu if he thinks he can finish that project in one night. I told her it's a bit Delulu to think her dog can understand everything she says. So, Delulu is perfect for joking with friends or poking fun at yourself when you're dreaming a little too big. And that's a wrap, my awesome learners. You've just learned 10 slang words that will make you sound like a pro in 2025. Now it's your turn to shine. Pick your favorite slang word from this list and drop a sentence using it in the comments. Practice is the best way to remember these words. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and please hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future lessons. Until next time, stay confident and keep learning. And don't forget to have fun with your English. See you soon. Bye-bye.